stands before the silent gate. Two dark curtains guard her fate. Shadows whisper where they fall, holding secrets in their call. With steady hand she pulls them wide, letting in the light inside. A sacred pathway comes to view, leading toward a truth brand new. Gently grow. Fear dissolves beneath the light, clearing space for second sight. Every step a quiet vow to trust the path that forms somehow. The veil she walks with grace, seeking wisdom face to face. Curtains part and shadows run as she opens to the sun. Hidden worlds begin to rise, shining clear before